Tubz exclusive.
Tiptop engineer and my boy, you being a big gun. I hope you know your daughter's amazing, amazing. Just for her, I stopped through the raving. And now you tell me I can't have a soul. Now you tell me I can't have a soul. Now you tell me I can't have a soul. I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Baba, why you being a pagan? Baba, why you being Baba, why you being a pagan? I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Just for her, I stopped all the raving. And now you tell me I can't have a soul. I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Somali girl, let me ask you. I say we take it to the bathroom. Let me teach you some things they don't teach you in a classroom. Let me touch you, baby. Fine girl, I know you're loyal. My heart is buried in your soil. Would your rubber kill me if I come to meet your oil? Make some berries and don't treat me royal. Asian girl, I'm all over you, all over you. Black silk hair, sex overdue. Will your daddy let me come if you said I'm alright? Would he let you be if I prayed 5 times? Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, cause I need to know. Dad said I'm too small and I need to grow. Said I'm too small and I need to grow. Fuck it, I'ma leave now. What you need to know? Baba, why you being a pagan? I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Just for her, I stopped all the raving. And now you tell me I can't have a soul. I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Black girl, your attitude's always stinking. That's why I love it when you're angry, got me thinking. Carry on shouting at me, you're turning me on, I'll make a fountain, you see. A black girl knows how to move the body so well. I will remove all your worries, oh well. You're making my head go crazy, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl, oh girl. White girl with the butty, daddy's so rich in Versace. He say I'm low class, I'm too poor for you. But he's missing out, really, I'll go war for you. I'll have beans on toast if it means I have you. Every time I see you, I just wanna come and grab you. I'll have a brew every morning, read the newspaper. You're still saying no, so I'll kidnap and take her. Baba, why you being a pagan? Why you being a pagan? Why you being a pagan? I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Just for her, I stopped all the raving. And now you tell me I can't have a soul. I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Baba, why you being a pagan? I hope you know your daughter's amazing. Just for her, I stopped all the raving. And now you tell me I can't have a soul. I hope you know your daughter's amazing. It's amazing. Tiptop engineering.
Tubz exclusive.
Tiptop engineering.